Alright, so if your PC feels fine overall, but browsing the internet is slow, laggy, or pages freeze for a few seconds, this is actually pretty common. In Windows 11, browser lag usually comes from heavy extensions, too many tabs, or background processes eating up resources. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix PC lag while browsing. First, close your browser completely and reopen it. This clears temporary memory and fixes minor slowdowns instantly. Next, check how many tabs you have open. Too many tabs can heavily slow down your browsing speed. Now go to your browser extensions. Disable or remove anything you don't actually use. Extensions can silently slow everything down. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cache data can build up and slow page loading. Some browsers keep running in the background even after you close them. Turn off background activity to save system resources. Now open Task Manager and check memory usage. If your RAM is full, your browser will lag no matter what. Make sure your browser isn't launching at startup unnecessarily. This can slow down your entire system right away. Now update your browser to the latest version. Updates often improve speed, security, and performance. Malware or adware can also slow browsing. Run a full system scan to make sure everything is clean. Finally, restart your PC. This clears system memory and gives your browser a fresh start. So yeah, that's to fix PC lag while browsing in 2026. A few simple optimizations, and your internet feels fast, smooth, and responsive again.